Okay, welcome to KANA ASTRA Light Test 74, Physics Test 24, Electromagnetic Induction. Link ஏற்கனவே ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஓகே, லிங்க் ஜாயின் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் பேரை எல்லாம் ரீநேம் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பேரை ரீநேம் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. டெஸ்ட் நடக்கும்போது ஏதாவது விசித்திரமான பேராக தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ பேர் எல்லாம் ரீநேம் பண்ணிக்கோங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணோன்னா. ரீநேம் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா? ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ப்ரிப்பேர்டாக இருங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். A metal disk of radius 100 cm is rotated at a constant angular speed of 60 radian per second in a plane at right angles to an external field of magnetic induction 0.05 Wb by m square. EMF induced between the center and at a point on the rim will be 30 seconds of time. Fifteen seconds. 3 பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணும். இன்னும் 2 பேர். 5 seconds தான் இருக்கு. இன்னும் 2 பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Okay, time is up. Option B, 1.5 volts is the answer. 7 பேர் கரெக்டா, but Nitya has answered the fastest. Okay, next question. Question 2 போலாம். In a coil of resistance 100 ohm, current is induced by changing the magnetic flux through it as shown in the figure. Magnitude of change in flux through the coil is 30 seconds. இன்னும் 3 பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். 15 seconds. 2 பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். 5 seconds. Option A is the answer. Again, Nitya has answered the fastest. Okay, question 3 start பண்றோம். A 10-meter wire is kept east-west in direction. It is falling down with a speed 5 meters per second perpendicular to the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field of 0.3 into 10 power minus 4 Weber per meter square. Momentary potential difference induced between the ends of the wire will be. என்ன பண்றீங்க? 30 seconds. மூணு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். 15 seconds. இன்னும் 2 பேர். ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 5 seconds. Answer is option A, 0.0015 volt. Okay, Nida has answered the fastest. Question number 4. Figure shows certain wire segments joined together to form a coplanar loop. Loop is placed in a perpendicular magnetic field in direction going into the plane of the figure. Magnitude of the field increases with time. I1 and I2 are currents in the segments A, B and C, D. Then which is true? தேர்ட்டி செகண்ட்ஸ் மூணு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம், ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். ஸோ இன்னும் ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல, இன்னும் ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Okay, answer is option number D. I1 is in the direction AB and I2 in DC. Nidha has answered the fastest. Question number 5 ஆரம்பிக்க போறோம். Two solenoids of equal number of turns have their lengths and the radii in the same ratio 1:2. Ratio of their self inductances will be. Thirty seconds. 15 seconds. ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 5 seconds. A is the answer, 1:2. Kia has answered the fastest. Okay, question 6 ஆரம்பிக்க போறோம். Metal conductor of length 1 meter rotates vertically about one of its ends at angular velocity 5 radian per second. If horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field 0.2 into 10 power minus 4t, then EMF developed between the two ends of the conductor is. ரெண்டு பேர் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். 30 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. B is the answer, 50 microvolt. Agarshini has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 7. Eddy currents do not produce heat, loss of energy, spark or damping of motion. No, ஒரு ஆள் தான். Okay, எல்லாம் answer. Answer is spark. They do not produce spark. Agarshini has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 8 start பண்றோம். A conducting square frame of side A and long straight wire carrying current I are located in the same plane as shown in the figure. Frame moves to the right with a constant velocity V. EMF induced in the frame will be proportional to. Thirty seconds. Half time. 2 பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். 15 செகண்ட்ஸ். ஒரு ஆள் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Option C is the answer. 1 by 2x minus 1 to 2x plus 1. Okay. Tia has answered the fastest. Question 9 ஆரம்பிக்க போறோம். Which of the following figure correctly depicts the Lenz's law? The arrows show the movement of the labeled pole of a bar magnet into a closed circular loop, and arrows on the circle show the direction of the induced current. Thirty seconds. ரெண்டு பேரும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். டென் செகண்ட்ஸ் தான் இருக்கு. Time is up. A is the answer. Again, Tia has answered the fastest. Question number 10 start பண்ண போறோம். ரெடியா இருங்க. The magnetic flux linked with a coil of resistance 10 watt is varying with respect to time as F is equal to 4t square plus 2t plus 1. And the current in the coil at time t is equal to 1 second is 30 seconds. ரெண்டு பேர் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். 15 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் இன்னும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Answer is option D, 1 ampere. But Agarshini has answered the fastest. Question 11 start பண்ண போறோம். Two coaxial solenoids are made by winding thin insulated wire over a pipe of cross-sectional area 10 cm square and length 20 cm. One of the solenoid has 300 turns and the other 400 turns. Their mutual inductance is ரெண்டு பேர் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். 30 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் என்ன ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 15. D is the correct answer. D. Agarshini has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 12 start பண்ண போறோம். When the current changes from +2 to -2 ampere in 0.05 second, EMF of 8 volt is induced in a coil. Coefficient of self-induction of the coil is 30 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 5 seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Option D, 0.1 H answer. Nitya has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 13. ரெடியா இருங்க. A long solenoid has 500 turns. When current 2 amperes pass through it, resulting magnetic flux linked with each turn of the solenoid is 4 × 10 power -3. Self-inductance of the solenoid is. Thirty seconds. ரெண்டு பேர் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. 15 seconds. Option C, 1 Henry is the answer. Question Tia has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 14. A metallic square loop ABCD is moving in its own plane with velocity v in a uniform magnetic field perpendicular to the plane as shown in the figure. An electric field is induced. Hmm, 30 seconds. Fifteen seconds தான் இருக்கு. இன்னும் ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். Answer is D in both AD and BC. Question Nida has answered the fastest. Question 15 ஆரம்பிக்க போறோம். In an AC generator, a coil with n number of turns, all of the same area A and total resistance R rotates with frequency W in a magnetic field B. Maximum value of EMF generated in the coil is. Thirty seconds. Seconds. ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Option D is the answer. Nida has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 16 ஆரம்பம். In an inductor of self-inductance L is equal to 2 mH, current changes with time according to relation I is equal to T square e to the power minus T. At what time EMF is 0? At what time EMF is 0? 30 seconds. ரெண்டு பேரும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணோம். 15 seconds. டைம் முடிய போகுது. Answer is option C, 2 seconds. Agarshini is the fast answer, the fastest. Okay, question number 17. Choke coil works on the principle of transient current, self-induction, mutual induction, or wattless current. Thirty seconds. ரெண்டு பேர் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Answer is self-induction. Question Nitya has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 18 start பண்ண போறோம். A coil having n turns and resistance R is connected with the galvanometer of resistance 4R. This combination is moved in time t seconds from magnetic field W1 to W2 Weber. Induced current in the circuit is 30 seconds. Again ரெண்டு பேர் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. Ten seconds. Option B is your answer. The question Sharon has answered the fastest. Okay, question 19. A thin circular ring of area A is held perpendicular to a uniform magnetic field of induction B. A small cut is made in the ring and a galvanometer is connected across the ends such that the total resistance of the circuit is R. When the ring is suddenly squeezed to zero area, the charge flowing through the galvanometer is 30 seconds. Fifteen seconds. Again ரெண்டு பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. And B is your answer. Sharon has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 20. A boat is moving due east in a region where Earth's magnetic field is 5 into 10 power minus 5 n a to the power minus 1 m to the power minus 1 due north and horizontal. Boat carries a vertical aerial 2-meter long. The speed of the boat is 1.5 meter per second. Magnitude of the induced EMF in the wire of aerial is 25 seconds. Again, 2 பேர் தான் என்ன ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. யாரும் 2 பேர் ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டு அப்படியே விட்டுட்டாங்க. ஸ்டார்டிங்ல 15 கொஸ்டின் வரைக்கும் ஆன்சர் அப்புறம் 2 கொஸ்டின் சத்தத்தை காணும். Option C, 0.15 is your answer. Millivolts. Tia has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 21. In a coil of area 10 centimeter square and 10 turns with magnetic field directed perpendicular to the plane and is changing at the rate of 10 to the power 8 Gauss per second, resistance of the coil is 20 watt. Current in the coil will be, what is the current in the coil? Thirty seconds. Seconds. 3 பேர் என்ன ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. அகைன் 2 பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். Answer option B, 5 ampere. Sahana has answered the fastest. Oh. Next question குள்ள போறோம். A horizontal straight wire 20 meter long extending from east to west falling with a speed 5 meter per second at right angles to the horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field 0.3 into 10 power minus 4. The instantaneous value of the EMF induced in the wire will be instantaneous value of the EMF induced in the wire. Thirty seconds. No, 2 பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணும். A is the answer. 3 millivolt. And Tia has answered the fastest. Okay, question number 23. The self-inductance of a long solenoid cannot be increased by 30 seconds. Okay, option D, increase the current through it is your answer. and Agarshini has answered the fastest. Question 24 குள்ள போலாமா? A metallic rod of length L is tied to a string of length 2L and made to rotate with angular speed W on a horizontal table with one end of the string fixed. If there is a vertical magnetic field B in the region, the EMF induced across the end of the rod is 30 seconds. Ten seconds தான் இருக்கு. Option D is your answer. நிதா மட்டும்தான் கரெக்டா ஆன்சர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே ஓகே, லாஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஃபார் டுடே. ரெடியா இருங்க. லாஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஃபார் டுடே. ஓகே, a metal ring is held horizontally and bar magnet is dropped through the ring with its length along the axis of the ring. Acceleration of the falling magnet is equal to G, less than G, more than G, depends on the diameter of ring and length of magnet. Thirty seconds. ஒரு ஆள் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணல. ஓகே, எல்லாம் ஆன்சர் பண்ணியாச்சு. Option B is your answer, less than G. 5 people correct answer பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Sharon has answered the fastest. Okay, இன்னைக்கு இது quiz. Oh, Nida is the winner. Last momentல Nida first position போயிட்டாங்க. It was close, but Nida is the winner for today. Okay, thank you for participating in the quiz. திருப்பி பார்ப்போம்.